In 1810, at the dawn of the Industrial Revolution, the Peugeot brothers went into business with a single steel rolling shop. Around 1850, they introduced countertop coffee mills, marking the diversification of their product line. At that time, the lion logo exemplifying resilience and adaptability first appeared. In 1874, the first in a long line of pepper mills, the Z model, ground its first peppercorn. The range of products expanded as production machinery became increasingly complex, and in 1890, the first car rolled out of the factory gates, turning the brand into a household name the world over. Today, PSP perpetuates the traditional manufacture of table grinders and hand tools. Quingey is a charming Franche-Comté village set in a region where mouth-watering cheeses and excellent wines are produced. It is also the birthplace of the PSP Group. The environmentally friendly factory is well integrated into its rural landscape in the Doubs, near the city of Besançon in eastern France. The marketing and research and development team keeps a constant lookout for new products and jointly develop the concepts behind tomorrow's dining table essentials, such as the Ellis electric mill with its exclusive U-Select grind adjustment system. Once the strategic choices have been made, the engineers translate the ideas using virtual imaging software. The standard functions and design of the new mill are modeled in 3D and refined until they are ready for prototyping. Peugeot produces its full range of mills under the Saveur d'Épices product line. As well, PSP produces mechanical and electric corkscrews along with other wine accessories under the Saveur de Vin product universe, Peugeot's second product line. We have excelled in producing stylish, hard-wearing mills for 160 years. The manufacture of each element is an art. Let us acquaint you with the process. The steel at the core of over 3 million mills produced every year is formed from start to finish in the Quingey metallurgy plant. The raw material arrives in steel strip or wire form, and the raw metal is sent to tireless presses and machining tools for transformation. To start with, a fixed part of the mill, known as the chamber, goes through successive stages of the presses. Then the various teeth that will do the grinding are precision cut. The moving part, known as the bulb, is also given specific machining treatment to fit the chamber snugly. Fast, efficient numerical control robots are responsible for all these operations. The shafts that drive the mechanism are made from large diameter steel wire that is straightened and then cut into appropriate lengths. They are then prepared and threaded to take the bulb. A single machine carries out the machining and assembly operations of the bulb shaft and mill in successive stages. The Lalleria Manufacturing Center takes full advantage of its magnificent forest location. Close to the Jura, with its long-standing wood-turning tradition, the heads and bodies of the Peugeot wooden mills are produced here entirely in-house. Stringent selection criteria are applied to the various species of wood and geared to the specification of the finished item. The wood is cut and stored on pallets and then sawn into suitably sized squares for the type of mill on the production run. An impressive bank of digital lathes shapes the various models in the Peugeot range. The first tool rough-hews the mill shape in a joyous fountain of fragrant wood chippings. Then a second tool takes it from the pre-sanding stage to finished perfection. The same care is taken when turning the grind adjustment heads and rings. At this stage, any mill that presents any defects is scrapped. The rings are machined on a special lathe and notched to fit the U-Select mechanism. The shop also has heavy-duty lathes fed directly with rough timber logs from making one-piece mills up to 43 inches high. Some of the natural wood mills are varnished, while others are painted. Applying color to wood calls for the greatest care if flaw-free, shiny, hard-wearing results are to be achieved. An automated line applies the paint and varnish coat by coat, and the mills are then sent to infrared dryers. The resulting deep, perfect lacquers or silky smooth satins testify to the thoroughness of the process. Once the mills have been painted, they are silk screened with the brand logo. Then they are subjected to merciless inspection that rejects those that present any paint or marking flaw. The mill bodies are stored by model and color to harden off prior to assembly. Skilled operators assemble Peugeot mills entirely by hand at Quinget. The greatest care is taken with parts inspection, assembling the mechanism and checking that the tool operates perfectly. The same care is taken with electric mills that are assembled and then packed with their accessories in stylish protective packaging. All new Peugeot products are subjected to a pre-market launch where they receive non-stop testing on the test bench until they finally give way. They are dealt blows that no user would ever wage on them. Thanks to this procedure, we can offer a lifetime guarantee on the mechanisms of our mills. Special power and performance tests are also applied to the Saveur de Vin range of articles. Once our sales department has entered orders into the system, our tightly run logistics department takes over from manufacturing to ensure that our products are shipped the world over in prime condition. A computerized management system manages a paternoster lift system that continuously crisscrosses the 108,000 square feet of warehouses, picking, grouping, and packing the pallets that leave by the truckload every day. Peugeot manufactures countless electric and manual mills in all price brackets to suit all taste, as well as a range of stylish, useful, and essential accessories for enjoying wine. Giving Peugeot makes for a special occasion whichever model is chosen. The giver is considered to be discerning and have good taste in high-quality gifts. The recipient will greet the gift with enthusiasm. These useful decorative objects that epitomize French gourmet cuisine and defy the test of time are bound to please.